Hello and welcome to Nola Cooks. My name is Wonola. If today is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and put on the bell notification for more recipes every week. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. On today's video, I will show you how to make this delicious mouth-watering minced chicken pasta. This recipe is very easy to make and it is so delicious. These are the ingredients you need for this delicacy. I have 1 medium chicken breast, chopped bell peppers, chopped onions, fresh tomatoes and ginger, penne pasta, tomato puree, salt and seasoning cube. I'm using regular seasoning, curry, thyme, black pepper and garlic powder, and I'll also be using sunflower oil. I'm dividing the chicken for easy shredding and I'll be putting it in this mini blender or mini chopper or mini shredder that we just got. This is so amazing. It does the job in like a minute, and I'll also be using it to chop my fresh tomatoes. Adding the penne pasta and some salt in a boiling water, I will cook it until it's almost done and then I will set it aside to drain. In the same pot, I'm adding the sunflower oil. I will let it get hot before adding the chopped onions and some of my chopped bell peppers. I'll also add a part of my chopped ginger and I'll fry it for about 5 minutes before adding my minced chicken. I'll stir fry the chicken for about 5 minutes and then add my seasoning. I'm seasoning with a cube of chicken seasoning, chicken spice, garlic powder, salt, curry, thyme and black pepper. I'm going to cook the chicken further until it is well cooked, about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take the chicken from the pot and set it aside. In the same oil, I will fry the tomato puree for 5 minutes. Then I'll add the remaining onions, bell peppers, garlic and the chopped tomatoes. A list of all ingredients used for this delicacy is also in the description box below. Don't forget to check the description box. I cooked the pepper sauce for 10 minutes and I'm now seasoning it with a cube of chicken seasoning, salt, curry, thyme, garlic powder and black pepper. I'm sure you can imagine the flavor of this delicacy. The aroma is so amazing. I cooked further for 10 minutes and now I'm adding the chicken that I set aside earlier. I'm combining the chicken with the sauce and then I'm going to add my pasta and combine it very well. This dish is so delicious. You need to try it if you haven't, honestly. Please do not forget to tag me on Instagram at Nola Cooks if you recreate this recipe or any of my recipes. You can also replace the minced chicken with minced beef if you prefer. I'm now adding water to cook the pasta further for about 5 minutes until the water has almost dried out, because I don't want it to dry. I want it a bit creamy. The pasta is ready now and it tastes so delicious. If you have a bite of this pasta, you can feel the chicken inside of the pasta and it tastes so nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have subscribed. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. If you have any questions or recommendations, I'll be in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.